our team really knows more about fiduciary exposures and how to properly insure those exposures than the underwriters do. Most financial institution underwriters are insuring and underwriting just that, financial institutions as a whole. We just really focus on investment advisory firms. We pre-underwrite. We take every client through a process which we call RIA-Sure, and it's a specific process where we are in essence asking just a ton of questions about your particular practice to make sure that we're uncovering all of the various things that you're doing.
Golsan Scruggs is focused on working with the RIA community. When you're buying your general liability or your workers' compensation insurance, you're getting a policy that's been crafted by ISO, the governing body. With E&O coverage, which is a severity exposure, that's just not the case. There's really 6 or 7 key underwriters offering this coverage. They each have their own specific policy form and language and have different exclusions and limitations that they build into their policies. So it's critical with the differences in the marketplace that you work with a broker or an agency that understands what an RIA is, what RIA means.
From that risk identification process, where are the potential traps and triggers? How does that meet or not meet, which is important, the insurance contract that these various underwriters are going to issue? How do their terminology need to be amended or altered to properly fit the exposures that you have? So at Golsan Scruggs, because we do so much of this and it's our specialty, we have worked with all the underwriters to develop our own terminology and our own endorsements to make sure that certain I's are dotted and certain T's are crossed.
We live in your industry and we speak your language, and so it's just critical that we know the investment space as much as we know the insurance contract and how to form terms that fit our clients and that speak to their particular exposures.